We have a race on our hands. Now, who can become the first bezel-less, notchless phone on the market? I mean, on the one side, you have the Apple iPhone X, you got the Huawei P20, even the Xiaomi 8 coming out with a notch phone. And on the other side, you have the Vivo Nex and the Oppo Find X, who are using a mechanized pop-up camera, which has a lot of moving parts, so people are really skeptical. What is the durability? Is this waterproof? Can sand get in it? I mean, there's a lot of question marks about these products. Now, last night, Xiaomi released the Mi Mix 3. Yes, we're gonna have a hands-on video for you guys later on. Nice review, but I must admire the Mi Mix series. The Mi Mix 2 had a front-facing camera on the bottom, showing they're not scared to try new things to the market. Now, they have introduced the slider in the Mi Mix 3. Yes, the Mi Mix 3 brought back the slider, baby. This is also a remarkable phone with specs on the hood. The value, it is featuring a Snapdragon 845 processor, 2.8 gigahertz, making it the fastest, if not the fastest phone on the market to date. It also includes a massive 6.39 AMOLED screen, making it a 93.4 screen to body ratio. Lastly, it has a 3200 milliamp battery. Now, let's dive into our review, hands-on, in our day of the Mi Mix launch at the Mi store. Here we are outside the Xiaomi store, where we've been invited to the unveiling of the Mi Mix 3, which we're actually going to get a hands-on feel for the Mi Mix 3, which we're going to show you guys. So let's get going. And here we are with the unboxing of the Mi Mix 3. Yes, they gave you a nice cardboard welcome note. And here is the Mi Mix itself. Beautiful phone. As you can see here, it has a huge 6.39 inch screen. On the back you can see it's a fingerprint reader. It is Onyx black phone. Now this has a resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels, 19.5 by 9 ratio. And this is what everybody's been talking about, the slide piece. Really cool to use. See it again. Beautiful. Now, the front-facing camera is a 24 megapixel pop-up with 2 megapixel depth sensor. So really good for selfies. On the back you have a dual 12 megapixel camera, and this phone also has 10-watt wireless charging. All in all, the Mi Mix 3 is truly an incredible phone. Now, this is starting at $32.99 renminbi, about $475 USD for 6GB RAM plus 128 storage. You can even scale this up to 8GB 256 storage for 4,000 CNY, which roughly equates to $575 USD. I mean, you're getting a Snapdragon 845, 2.8 gigahertz. I mean, you got the slider on this phone, with it truly bringing something new back to the market, which no other phone company is doing right now. So Xiaomi's really putting themselves on top, seeing how the market will react to this. And right now, I like the slider. I want to put more hands on to see if this is something I truly want. And this is the exact type of phone we want to bring to you guys on our channel. The best value products in the market, in the industry, and Xiaomi so far has delivered. Lastly, the official release of the Mi Mix 3 is November 1st. So all in all, amazing phone. Talk to you guys later. Have a good one.